This is the way to do it. After you separate your hair, you do a very clean line. You do a very clean line this way. A very nice one. That way. Then here you can do this for you to understand it well. You take a very little amount of hair. You take a very little amount of hair like this, a small one. Then you separate it into 3. 1, 2, 3. You can see 3 portions like that. Then you always start with the one that is at the, then you are going to use the 3 fingers, these ones. You start with the one at the center like this. You can see, holding here. Then you twist it, you hold there. You can see. Then you take it again. As you do it that way, your one finger it's just there, that way. Then you add another here, that way. You continue. And note, you are not removing this finger down there. Take another here, that way. This way. You take, as you turn this way, that's when you're picking another hair there. Addition, that way. You can see, that way. That way. Then you continue. I'll show you well, because this one is my child. I'll show you with an adult. It will sound better when I show you with an adult. So this is the way you come up with this. I'm sorry about that. This is the way you come out with this. You can see my baby is already sleeping. This is the way they will come out.